If you're shopping for a pressure washer, you'll quickly find that there are dozens of models claiming to offer the best performance. The reality is that the right choice depends on the cleaning jobs you plan to tackle, your budget, and whether you prefer electric convenience or gas-powered strength. In this video, we're counting down 6 of the best pressure washers available today, comparing their real-world performance features and overall value to help you find the right fit for your home. The Craftsman electric pressure washer earns the 6th spot because it offers a balanced combination of convenience, cleaning ability, and user-friendly design. It's especially well-suited for homeowners who mainly wash vehicles, outdoor furniture, patios, fences, and other routine household surfaces without needing extremely high pressure. Delivering up to 2,100 pounds per square inch, this corded electric model provides enough power for most everyday cleaning tasks while remaining gentle enough for automotive paint when used with the appropriate nozzle. Its compact vertical design makes storage simple, and the onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized between jobs. The included turbo nozzle helps improve cleaning speed on tougher dirt, while the soap applicator is useful when tackling vehicles or siding. Compared to the higher-ranked pressure washers on this list, it doesn't offer quite the same cleaning performance for stubborn concrete stains or large driveways. There have also been occasional reports of long-term durability concerns, although many owners continue to use it successfully for regular household cleaning. Overall, it's a dependable option for light to moderate work with a typical selling price between $200 and $240. If maximum cleaning power is your priority, the Simpson MegaShot gas pressure washer deserves serious consideration. It ranks 5th because it delivers professional-level performance but requires the additional maintenance that comes with a gas engine, making it better suited for demanding users than casual homeowners. Producing 3,300 pounds per square inch with a strong 2.4 gallons per minute flow rate, this gas-powered machine is built to tackle large driveways, brick surfaces, concrete retaining walls, and extensive outdoor cleaning projects. The dependable Honda engine, welded steel frame, professional spray wand, and pneumatic wheels all contribute to its reputation for durability and long service life. The extra power comes with trade-offs. It's noticeably heavier than electric models, generates considerably more noise, and requires regular engine maintenance, including fuel management and periodic servicing. For occasional cleaning, many homeowners may find an electric model more convenient. However, if you regularly handle large properties or difficult cleaning jobs, its performance is hard to match. Expect a typical selling price between $430 and $500. The Kärcher K1700 Cube Electric Pressure Washer secures 4th place by offering excellent reliability in a remarkably compact package. It's an ideal choice for homeowners who want a trusted pressure washer that's easy to store and simple to use for lighter cleaning jobs. With 1,700 pounds per square inch, this corded electric unit isn't designed for the toughest concrete restoration projects, but it performs very well when cleaning cars, patio furniture, grills, bicycles, decks, and other outdoor surfaces. Its cube-shaped design provides impressive stability while taking up very little storage space. 3 spray nozzles allow quick adjustments for different tasks, while the onboard detergent tank and integrated accessory storage help streamline setup. Compared with the higher-ranked models, the lower pressure limits its effectiveness on deeply embedded stains and larger surfaces. Still, for users focused on convenience, reliability, and compact storage, it remains one of the best options available. It typically sells for $130 to $170, making it one of the strongest values in its class. The Greenworks True Brushless Electric Pressure Washer takes 3rd place because it delivers some of the strongest cleaning performance you'll find in an electric pressure washer without the maintenance requirements of a gas-powered machine. It's an excellent choice for homeowners who regularly take on demanding outdoor cleaning projects and want professional-level results with the convenience of electric power. Generating up to 3,000 pounds per square inch, this corded electric model is built to tackle concrete driveways, sidewalks, patios, retaining walls, and other stubborn surfaces with ease. Its true brushless motor improves efficiency while also increasing durability compared to traditional brushed motors, making it a great long-term investment. The heavy-duty steel frame adds strength and stability, while the large wheels make it easier to move across uneven ground. It also features a professional spray gun for better control and an integrated soap tank for convenient detergent application. The biggest drawback is its size and weight. It's noticeably heavier than many compact electric models and comes at a higher price point. However, if you want near gas-powered performance without dealing with fuel or engine maintenance, this is one of the best electric options available. Typical selling prices range from $330 to $400. The SunJoe electric pressure washer earns the #2 spot thanks to its proven reliability, excellent value, and beginner-friendly design. It has remained one of the most popular residential pressure washers for years because it consistently delivers dependable performance across a wide range of everyday cleaning tasks, making it a safe choice for most homeowners. Powered by a 14.5 amp electric motor, it produces 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute, providing enough cleaning power for patios, decks, siding, fences, driveways, vehicles, and outdoor furniture. It includes 5 quick connect spray tips, allowing you to switch between different spray patterns in seconds. One standout feature is its dual detergent tanks, making it easy to alternate between different cleaning solutions without stopping to refill. The built-in total stop system also helps extend pump life by automatically shutting the motor off whenever the trigger isn't in use. Its older design isn't quite as modern as some newer competitors, and a few fittings are made from plastic rather than metal. Even so, its dependable performance, ease of use, and affordable price continue to make it one of the best values in its class. It typically sells for between $160 and $190. Claiming the top position is the Westinghouse electric pressure washer, thanks to its outstanding combination of cleaning performance, portability, reliability, and overall value. Rather than excelling in just one area, it delivers a balanced package that makes it an excellent choice for almost any homeowner looking for a dependable electric pressure washer. Producing up to 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 gallons per minute, this corded electric model has plenty of power for cleaning driveways, patios, decks, fences, siding, and vehicles. Its brushless electric motor provides quieter operation while improving efficiency and long-term durability compared to traditional brushed motors. The compact anti-tip design keeps the machine stable during use, and at only around 19 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around the yard or store without much effort. It also includes 5 quick connect nozzles for different cleaning tasks, a built-in soap tank for applying detergent, and a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released, helping reduce wear over time. The only real drawbacks are the relatively short hose and the fact that it isn't intended for commercial duty use. Still, for the vast majority of homeowners, it offers one of the best combinations of performance and convenience available today. Typical selling prices range from $180 to $220. Those are our picks for the 6 best pressure washers available today. Whether you need a compact model for occasional vehicle washing, a versatile electric unit for routine home maintenance, or a heavy-duty machine for demanding outdoor cleaning, there's an option here to match your needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to check the links below for current pricing and more detailed product information.